Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this problem, we're going to talk about the work energy theorem. So what we need to remember is that the work done over an object is equal to the variation of energy of that object. Also, that's the work can be written as the integral of the force over a certain over the space. Okay, so in our problem, we have a boy on a wheelchair. The boy has a mass 47 kilograms, and he is on the crest of a slope. So this here is the slope. The boy is on the top on his wheelchair. Sorry for my bad drawing. And the height of the slope is 2.6 meters, while the length is 12.4 meters. And the initial speed of the boy is 1.4 meters per second. His final speed is 6.2 meters per second. And all throughout his trajectory, the final speed at the bottom, I'm saying, and the total force throughout his trajectory is 41 newtons. This is the friction force that acts on the boy, the total friction force. And our goal is to find what is the work that the boy exerted over the wheelchair um, when he was going down the slope. So notice that from our work energy theorem, we have that the total work, that is, the work done by the boy over the wheelchair, plus the work done by the friction force on the boy, and that's a negative work because the friction force tends to make the boy slow down. And so that's minus f times the distance that the boy traveled. And this is equal to the variation of the boy's energy. The final energy is mvf squared over 2, while the initial energy is mvi squared over 2 plus mg times the height, the initial height, h. So w is m over 2, I'm sorry, m times vf squared over 2, vf squared minus vi squared over 2 minus gh plus fd. So it's f times the square root of h squared plus l squared. L is the length. This is d. So d, that's the square root of h squared plus l squared, is the square root of 2.6 squared plus 12.4 squared. So this is equal to 12.67 meters. So the work is equal to the mass of 47 kilograms. I'm not gonna write the units actually, but everything is in the international system. So VF is 6.2 meters per second minus 1.4 meters per second. We square both and divide it by 2 minus G, that's 9.8, times H, that's 2.6, plus the force of 41 newtons times 12.67. So the work done by the boy on the wheelchair is 179.2 joules, which is the answer to our exercise.